Hello fearless family, and welcome back to another video. And I finally got a new phone, so I'm going to go ahead and open that and show y'all the review of that. It is raining. We are in the middle of a tropical storm warning. I just came home and I wanted to show y'all the phone. If you want to be part of the fearless family, just click that subscribe button down below so you can be notified of any uploads, reviews, giveaways, whatever it is I may do. You will be part of the fearless family. So I went to Metro, got a phone. So y'all know the other phone I had that I was recording off of. I'm recording off of it right now. Okay, so I got it like 4 years ago, so not bad. It's not my main phone. It's just for YouTube only. I get them from Metro PCS. I normally don't pay the monthly bill every month because I don't need to talk and text. I just need the phone. So when I do it that way, then I have to use it around Wi-Fi. When I upload and edit my videos, I have to use it around Wi-Fi, which is definitely not a problem for me because I'm normally doing that when I'm at home and I'm around Wi-Fi and I have my editing apps and everything. So I picked up the Galaxy A13 5G. They have a regular A13 that I was going to get without the 5G because I was like, why do I need the 5G if I'm not really going to be using the phone? But when she explained to me about the lagging and the hesitation and all of that, I went with the 5G because that's the problem I'm having on the phone I have now. Pushing buttons, pushing applications, there is such a drag, there is such a lag to the point where it's aggravating. So this phone out the door was going to be $199, okay? And that was out the door with like your first month taxes and all that. So the nice little young lady, I didn't even look at my receipt talking about she gave me a deal. The receipt's kind of hard to read. She gave me a deal and I came out at $200.53 out the door. So what she gave me was, I received the phone. Here is the phone. Samsung. Here is the phone. I received the phone case that she gave me 3 different choices of cases to pick from that she threw in for me. Of course, you know I went with the glitter. She gave me a screen protector and the SIM card. Okay, I was going to get my SIM card off of Amazon because at first when she was trying to give me a SIM card, I was like, I was like $30. No, I was like, I'll get a SIM card off of Amazon. And she was like, well, let me see what I can throw in for you. And so she gave me the case, the screen protector, the SIM card, and the phone out the door for $200. Okay, so I have to go on and download all my editing apps. I already signed into it, made sure it was working. So right now the phone works with a phone number, but if I don't pay the bill the way Metro works, if y'all don't know, it's like a monthly payment thing. If I don't pay the bill, I won't be able to use the phone. I am going to eventually keep the phone on just for like, I'm a notary and I don't want to give out my regular number. I am a Florida notary. People try to contact you. There have been some people that have tried to send me stuff that have asked me for a phone number. And I know a lot of people use a Google phone number. So even if I get a Google phone number for this, I think I still have to have this phone on or have to be around Wi-Fi for even the Google phone number to work. So Metro is $40 a month, talk and text. She said after a month I can go down to the $30 a month plan since I'm only talking and texting. So I may keep the phone on and just pay the $30 a month for it. I may do that just to have the phone on for notary purposes or business purposes because I don't like to give out my regular phone number for business purposes. Now I have an iPhone. A lot of people use their iPhone to record. I don't. I started out using an iPhone to record on my YouTube videos, and one day Apple erased all of my stuff. All of it, because my storage got too full. I don't always upload as soon as I record. I upload and I record and upload them when I need to. Well, honey child, Apple had to erase all my stuff because it ran out of memory. Apple keeps creating these new phones, new updates. Get his junk a memory card. But no, they don't want to, because they want you to pay them every month for storage and memory, which I'm not doing. So Samsung, you will always be my boo thing, okay? So let's see. I did not check and see. Oh, my glasses. Let me see if Samsung still got Apple Beat. Samsung still has Apple Beat, because I have a charger but no headphones. But they have Apple Beat. I think some of these new iPhones, they not even giving you a dang on charger or whatever it is. So thank you, Samsung, for the charger. Let me take the charger out of here, because I will go in the house and have the phone with me and not have a charger. Okay, I am going to, the phone that I'm recording on right now, probably put it on Poshmark or Mercari and sell it. I don't need it. There's absolutely nothing wrong with the phone, except I just needed a better phone for YouTube. But you know, somebody can use the phone for whatever they want to use it for, just music. You know, my daughters, they have Androids that they just use for music, or as iPods. My sister has an Android phone that she just used just for her music. And I was like, that's a good idea too, because when you're playing music in the car, I play music from my Apple Music, and if somebody calls, it interrupts my Apple Music. Well, my sister plays music from her other phone, and if somebody calls, the music is still playing. And I'm like, okay, that's really, really a good idea. It's just to also take some of the strain off my main phone that I am using. So the phone is all black. It's going to be too bright for y'all to see, but it's all black. This is a screensaver that's on there right now. I already created a lock code for it. I got the glittery case. The camera, I think on the front was 8 megapixels, which is why I went with it. The other one that is not 5G was 5 megapixels. And this is the A13 5G. A13 5G. I was trying to see if it said on here, but I believe that's what it was, because I was going to get the other one. My problem with the phone that I'm recording on now is not getting as much out of my front-facing camera that I wanted. So this one has 8 megapixels of front-facing camera, and I like that. I'm going to have to play around with it, record on it, see what she working with, you know. But I'm super excited. I have been telling y'all for a long time I needed to go get another phone. But every time I went to go get another phone, and I know I have to invest in my brand, but I didn't want to spend $300, $400, $500 on a phone that wasn't going to be my main phone. So I do have to invest in myself. I think $200 was not bad, especially with all the accessories I got. And I've upgraded to 5G and the latest phone that they have come out with. I don't have any apps on here yet, y'all. Let me show y'all. I don't have no apps on here yet. Just the standard apps that come with the phone are on here. I'm going to go download the editing apps that I use. I'm going to go ahead and download them on here, and that way I can have them. If you guys have any editing apps that you use for YouTube or Instagram to upload your videos, let me know. I mainly use like 3 main editing apps, and they're on the phone I'm recording on, so I can't tell you what they are right now. But I normally use, I know KeyMaster. I think KeyMaster is one of them. But if you have an Android and you know good video editing apps, how I get my little emojis to be in here, my little stickers and my little sayings, I love it. And I don't have to have a regular camera, and I don't have to have a computer. You know, one day I will get to that point, but right now this is working for me. Okay, so your girl finally upgraded, got the phone. I'm ready to get y'all some good footage. On the new Celica, okay, and see how it does and how it uploads. So I'm super excited about that. If you're in need of a phone for one of your kids, this phone that I'm gonna put on Poshmark or Mercari, this phone is a Metro phone. It will probably work for Metro and T-Mobile. If you have a teenager that you want to get a phone for the low, that you don't care if they crack it, break it, or whatever, there's absolutely nothing wrong with the phone. It has a case on it. It has a screen protector on it. Definitely go to my Poshmark and my Mercari and check it out and check out other items. I need to clean that store out and get ready to post new items on there, and I'm just gonna throw away the stuff that people did not purchase on there. But yes, if you're looking for any type of phone and you have a Metro PCS in your area, definitely check it out. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.